Greetings and salutations. This is Frederick John. Today we're going to create a new Elixir Phoenix project and answer one of the most often asked questions. How do I incorporate React into my Elixir build? Now, it's quite simple to incorporate the React library. I won't go too much into why you might want to use React, but to sum up, here's the website reactjs.org, and you can see their marketing material right here. React is declarative, component-based, and reusable. Here we are in my home directory. I have a special directory for Elixir projects. We'll go there. From here we can create a new project using mix phx for Phoenix .new, and then the name of our application, which we'll call try React. Fetch install dependencies. Yes, please. To get started using React, we'll need to install a few things from npm. We're going to need to install the Babel preset for React. We're going to have to install React itself, and then we're going to have to install React DOM. So I've already installed these three. I won't need to install them again. I'll run the command, but this is essential what we'll have to install. Babel preset React, React, and React DOM. We'll install those through npm, and we'll need to properly configure our brunch. In the plugins, under Babel, we'll have to add presets ES 2015 to use ES6 syntax and React to let our brunch configuration know that we're going to be writing in React. Okay, so here is our Phoenix application. I've completely cleared the index page. What we're going to do is in the assets JavaScript, we're going to create a file called index. We're going to include index in the app.js. In the index file itself, we're going to import React and component from React, import React DOM, and then export class default app, which is going to extend component. That's going to render something to the page. It's going to return this text here, hi there, and this is JSX. And so what we need to do is create a mount point on our index page here, which we can do with div id equals mount. And once we save that, we'll get hi there to the screen. So now we've successfully incorporated React into our Phoenix application. It's not a difficult process at all. The steps were in the brunch config. We just had to add the React preset, React ES 2015 preset, and we had to install the packages Babel preset React, and then React and React DOM. If we want to continue building like this, we can create a new folder called components, and in there we can create a component, let's say a file called home.js, and this will import React from React, and we can do a functional component. We can use ES6 syntax to create an arrow function and then return a div. We're going to return a single element. Inside this element, we'll make an h2 that says I'm the home component. I'm not sure how to work with the syntax highlighting, or if I'm missing a plugin to work with JSX on Sublime. I don't use Sublime often, so I might not continue using it. It depends. I just wanted to try out a couple things. And this is great. So we'll save this functional component, and we're going to export default home. You have to export it if you're going to use this function. It has to be the same name, export home, and this is the home functional component. Here we just included the export in the class definition. So when we come to the index page, we'll import home from components, home, and we can then include it if we, let's say, put a single div and I'm the home component. And that's all it takes to add React to your Phoenix application. This is a quick video. I just wanted to get it out there so that people that were struggling with adding React and confusing configuration files and having a difficult time getting it working, if you just want to get React working with the Phoenix application, you can do it. It's very simple.